Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karnita Aldethi with student ID 2024-32040 from Information System Class A Machine Learning. Today I'm going to present my machine learning practical report. In this video, I will demonstrate two main topics. First, building a neural network model using the wine quality dataset. And second, implementing an advanced key learning model in a 5x5 grid world environment. Let's get started with the first assignment. First, I import the necessary libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Since the wine quality dataset use a semicolon separator inside the spreadsheet, I manually parse and clean the string format to reconstruct the proper columns. For the classification task, I convert the continuous quality score into a binary class. If the quality score is 6 or higher, it is classified as 1, meaning good quality. Otherwise, it is classified as 0. Okay. Next, I perform exploratory data analysis. As you can see from the first plot, there is a relative balanced distribution between the good and lower quality wines. I also generate a correlation heat map to understand the relationship between different chemical properties of the wine, such as acidity, pH, and alcohol levels before feeding them into our model. Okay, moving on, I separate the independent features into the variable X and the target label into Y. Using the counter module, we can verify the total count for each class. After that, I split the data into a training set and testing set using a standard ratio of 70% for training and 30% for testing with a fixed random state of 0 to ensure reproducibility. Okay. Oh, okay. Instead of just hardcoding a single network architecture, I implemented hyperparameter tuning using grid search CV combined with skitlearn MLPC classifier. I provide several options for hidden layer size like 50/30 and 150 alongside activation function like Tan and ReLU. After running the grid search, the model automatically select the best parameters. Finally, we evaluate the model on the unseen test dataset, achieving a solid accuracy score. Okay, now let's move on the second assignment, which is key learning. As instructed, I design an advanced environment using 5x5 grid world, which give us 24 stats in total. The agent start from a random safe. To make it more challenging, I intern specific obstacle stats in this 6, 7, 12, and 18, which act as walls or bombs that the agent must actively avoid. Okay, next is training the again. For the hypermeter setup, I define a learning rate of 0.1, a discount factor of 0.95, and an exploration probability of 0.2. I train the agent for 1,500 epoch. During the training loop, the agent use a ablation greedy strategy to either explore new paths or exploit the current values in the key table. If the agent hits the obstacle, it receives a heavy penalty of minus 50, while reaching the goal rewards it with 100 points. Okay, after the training is complete, the key table is fully optimized to test the agent intelligence. I deployed it from the top left corner at state 0. As we can see from the output path array, the agent successfully navigates step by step through the optimal paths, completely bypassing all the danger zones and successfully arrive at the goal state. Okay, I think that's all for me. Sorry if there's so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.